Unang ilam ka National People's Party NPP bat sembut menteri rang ba kejela ba perstun tensong ulaang ba kasang kongres kari kechat ke sangam no berkentu ginong ilam ban kenti kenang melaj namar la ban yap shtenglti ulaang ba kidak kishin ki kedau ba borok wai geri India ka kongres kala dobor bat kedau ru ba presiden ke ICC Sonia Gandhi kala kubur ba kecingi kena ka kongres kawan ra kecing hiar haka parti dak ba kedau ba kiran san elap election ka kongres kala keno klam nong remik sora jengla ulaang ba kecing keno kadai tang kecing keno kena rit ulaang ba result by election ka peni ba kinong tebut na boro lightly constituency ki pen shisha ba kam start bani kitu ba keno persya ya ka sarkar MDA balam khmat dak NPP.
See, the by-election that has just happened few days back, especially during the campaign, we have seen the agenda of Congress Party. What they did was they went down to the voters, to the people by alleging NPP-led government with so many childish allegations made by them. But still, ultimately, I would like to place it on record. People of these three constituencies are smarter than those people who allege the NPP-led government in the name of MDA by proving themselves that still they have full faith and confidence to the MDA government led by Shri Conrad Sangma, led by the NPP. When I said that, it is up to them. But they are all seasoned politicians. So once you are a seasoned politician, you understand, you need to assess. You may join UDP, you may join NPP, you may join PDF, you may join SJPP, you may join BJP. I mean, you are open to do that. So I'm not the one who should say that, no, you join us. Why should we be so selfish? But as MDA, let me just tell you, as MDA partners, we will again continue beyond 2023. Otherwise, you may die halfway. So it's better you jump from a sinking ship. Because right now, the indication is very clear. When you talk about this by-election throughout India, you have seen it. And you have seen it, it is proof. So therefore, especially recently, even Madam Sonia Gandhi, the president of the ICC, she did admit it openly that yes, infighting is one of the factors where Congress Party, instead of going up, it goes down.